When my mother-in-law began falling, I knew she needed help in the bathtub. This Carex Portable Shower Transfer Bench I got her will be a game changer for her. After a few simple, easy steps, it was ready for use. I needed no tools. I first noticed how light it is, just 5 pounds. She'll be able to handle this with ease and take it with her when traveling. It's more supportive than a shower chair or stool. It attaches securely to the tub, and it's adjustable to fit a width between 19 and 28 inches, so it'll fit just about any size tub. It's very stable and made to last. It also has rubber stops to prevent it from scratching your bathtub. To use it, simply sit on the outside part and slide your legs around to the bath side. It works great. When finished, and if desired, store it away. This is perfect for seniors, the handicapped, or those recovering from surgery. And it's from Carex, a trusted brand in affordable quality accessories for seniors.